Hey guys, this is Red King on Starboy 2006 here, and this video will be regarding about my newest EAS scenario that I'm planning to release in some day. So guys, about my newest EAS scenario, it's gonna be called uh, Mist of Shadows, and the scenario is about shadowy figures roaming around the United States, causing like massive destruction. And there's another one about a dark dragon causing natural disasters like volcanic eruption, tsunamis, tornadoes, earthquakes, and most importantly, a black hole. It will create a black hole so strong that it will end the entire world as we know it. And some more, guys. The scenario will be similar to Acid Rain by Melanie Kitty, aka TMYK, and covered by Hero Rise and Melanie Kitty, also known as TMYK. So yeah, this will be inspired by these creators, and I know that scenario is going to make even more sense because these shadowy figures can roam around at night, or they can be hiding in the shadows. And the dark dragon can cause massive devastation or catastrophic, I think. So yeah. All right. So enough of that. Let's just say the script writing is still non-production at the moment, and yes, the scenario is gonna contain voice actors. So yeah. Anyways, so just to remind you all, the scenario is still non-production at the moment. I still need to make sure I don't have any plans for new EAS scenarios before I work on another one. So yeah. Anyways, guys, just want to say thank you so much for understanding, and I'll provide updates as soon as possible for my new EAS scenario. Sounds good? All right. Anyways, see you all later. This was me, Red Scarlet King as Starboy 2006. Signing off. See you guys later.